Hey, this is Recycled Workshop, and today I'm going to show you something that I think is easier than you see a lot of times. Tool holders. I don't know why I don't see this. One hook, one hole. It really doesn't get easier than that. You can hang it this way, hang it this way. These are not going to fall out. So I always pre-drill because that's a pretty big screw if you're not pre-drilling, and it saves a lot of time and effort. It seems like the right distance is about 12 inches. I put these closer just so I could fit them in here where I need them. If I have my bigger battery pack, it's not going to fit. Although, maybe it's not perfect, it really doesn't take very long to get these on and off. And you've got a whole bunch of different setups that you can have work. Now, it's probably not going to work for every tool, but it seems like pretty much every tool that's got a handle does work. I'm sorry, it's just really easy, but I keep seeing those ones where you slide it in, and I built those, and those are nice, but this is easier. Yeah. Oh, don't touch it. So these are about $1 each, and as long as you can find a stud, you're in great shape. You can also get a monster pack of them, but I did put mine next to my power bank because, I mean, that's typically where I'm going to grab them from. So, do it. It's easy. If you don't end up using them for this, use them for your bike. Pretty simple.